Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Groundnut Burfi Kadalai Mittai. Ingredients for Kadalai Mittai. Where Kadalai Mittai? 1 cup of groundnut, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 cup of jaggery. Keep the pan in flame. We are going to dry roast the groundnut. So the groundnut got roasted. So up to this stage you have to roast the groundnut. So we are going to remove this one from flame. This is the roasted peanut. So we let it to cool. After that we have to remove the skin of groundnut. So we are going to grease the plate. Grease the plate and keep ready. You peel the skin, put inside the cloth bag, hold the mouth and bang 4 or 5 times. That is enough. All the skin will be removed. Then you can blow to remove the skin from the plate. Keep the pan in flame. So we are going to prepare the jaggery syrup. So this much water is enough just to immerse the jaggery pieces. So you poured only little water. See, that itself is enough. So we are waiting to completely dissolve the jaggery pieces. Then we will filter this syrup. See, the jaggery pieces dissolved completely. We are going to filter the syrup now. See the impurities present in the jaggery. That's why always filter the jaggery. Jaggery is for jaggery syrup. Keep the pan in flame and add the filtered syrup. You have to keep in sim flame the jaggery syrup. We have to do this for breaking consistency. I will show you the consistency, which consistency you have to switch off the flame. We are going to add the 1 teaspoon of ghee at this stage. We'll check the consistency. This is called breaking consistency. So we have to switch off the flame. Switch off the flame. Add the roasted groundnut. Mix this one well. So transfer this one to the greased plate. So you can level the sides, approximate more or less the rectangular shape. Nice it is, very nice look and nice color. Groundnut Burfi. You just grease the knife and put a cut and keep, let it to settle. We have to put cut at this stage. To level the top surface, just grease the plate and you can give a gentle press. And we have removed. It should be properly greased, then easy to take from the plate. Groundnut Burfi Kadalai Mittai from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.